Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo carries a small bottle of water while walking along a long trail. The path stretches far ahead across the hills, with no village in sight. Water might be hard to find along the journey. A new word becomes important: frugal. Frugal means using things carefully and not wasting them. Timo takes a small sip from the bottle instead of drinking too much. He closes the bottle and saves the rest for later on the journey. Step by step, he continues walking along the long path. The bottle still has water left. Timo remembers that when he is frugal, using things carefully helps his resources last longer, and that thoughtful choices help him prepare for whatever adventures come next.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.